Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about the concept of two-pointer approach. Actually, what is two-pointer approach? So, you have to given an array or a string, and we will put the left pointer at the start of the array, or the and the right pointer at the end of the array or a string. Then we have to traverse from both ends of an array. So this video is about to introduction. So what will we see in this video? First of all, I have to understand the problem statement. That what is problem statement, and then we will see input and output. Then we will see brute force approach. Then we will see optimize approach. And when we solve the approach, then I will tell you why we use two-pointer approach. And after that, I will tell you time and space complexity. Complexity. Then I will end of this video. So um, I have found some pattern on somewhere. So I want to show you. Just see it. Basically, these are the patterns which is based on two-pointer approach. In the next video, we will see to some problem. So if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.